Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing healthy and fiber-rich bread upma recipe, ideal as a quick breakfast on those busy mornings. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using sourdough bread in this recipe, which I sourced locally from a French bakery. However, you can use any bread of your choice. A little disclaimer, I'm currently holidaying in Australia and I'm making this video from the Airbnb I'm staying at. The host has provided some basic cookware which I'm using in this video. First, I'm toasting 6 to 7 slices of bread. I'm heating a pan with 1 tablespoon cold pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera. Once the jeera splutters, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 1 inch ginger finely chopped. Adding in 1 large onion finely chopped. Add in 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Give it a stir and allow the onions to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onions are transparent or light pink in color, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon chili powder. Note that I'm using ordinary chili powder, which is spicier than Kashmiri chili powder. However, if you're using Kashmiri chili powder, you can use 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. And give this a quick stir and allow the spices to get lightly roasted for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Add in 3 tomatoes chopped. Give it a good stir. Add in a splash of water, cover and allow the tomatoes to get cooked and softened. Okay, now the bread slices are toasted. I'm going to chop the bread slices into cubes. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir. Add in 4 medium-sized carrots chopped, give it a stir. Cover and allow the carrots to get lightly cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. 2 minutes later, open the lid. Carrots are lightly cooked and softened. Add in half red and green capsicum chopped. A large handful of palak leaves. These are baby spinach leaves. I'm just tearing the leaves and adding in. Give it all a good mix. Add in the cubed toasted bread slices and give this all a good mix. Toasting the bread will prevent it from getting soggy when you're making the upma. Remember that there is salt in the bread pieces as well, so add salt accordingly. Add in 1 teaspoon garam masala and give it all a good mix. Turn off the flame. Add in a handful of coriander leaves finely chopped. I have some sunflower sprouts which I bought from the farmer's market. I'm adding a handful of the sunflower sprouts. You can just about add in any green leafy vegetables of your choice. I'm also tearing in some organic lettuce leaves, which again I bought it from the farmer's market. I'm just tearing the leaves and adding in. Give it all a good mix. Freshly ground black pepper powder as needed. And lastly, I'm squeezing in lemon and give this all a good mix. And my super healthy bread upma is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy bread upma and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.